Well, good morning, everyone. How's it going? I hope everyone is well. And today we are test driving for final delivery. Hopefully it'll get there by Christmas. A 1971 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 that has been reborn, upcycled, and revolutionized into an ICON FJ44, specifically ICON FJ number 165. So this truck is built in the new school style. It is finished in the sand tan color. It's interesting, it's been a while, I think, since we've done a sand tan 44. Then we got a sand tan 40 coming up right behind this one in the production line, in fact. So being a new school, that means it has the ICON front and rear bull bar and dual carrier bumper system. The rear bumper has the little storage compartments built into the top deck. It's a class 2 receiver, and you've got the pivot pins with lockouts on knurled shafts, grease fittings for the jerry can and the tire carrier. You have the nice and stout front bumper system, which houses the aux LED lights as well as the Warren winch. Recently, you'll notice we evolved that front winch to the latest and greatest. Never had any issues with the older one, but time marches forward and we must adopt. We have, of course, the volcanic black exterior trim, which is typical for the new school package, with the new school forged aluminum 18-inch wheels with the center wheel spinner caps. We did the top in the classic black finish. We have the roof rack and ladder situation. We have the aux LED reverse light option on this one. We're running the LS3 fuel injected aluminum V8. We are running power through to the 4L65E modified GM 4-speed automatic with overdrive, which in turn is sending power through to the Atlas 2 twin stick shift on the fly part-time 4-wheel drive 2-speed transfer case. So that has a 1-to-1 high, and then it has a 3.5 to 1 in low, which I think, if my morning brain is working good enough, that's an 87 to 1 final crawl ratio. So really turns it into a billy goat, pretty much climb anything it ever needs to. On the inside, this truck is nicely appointed. We have the Chilowich inserts with the BMW OEM vinyl on all seats. We are not running seat heater option on this truck at the client's request. However, we are running seating for 6, which is provided via the forward-facing bucket seats, and then in the third row, the removable tuck and tumble 2-passenger bench seat option. We're running the door map pocket option on all 4 doors. For audio, this is running our baseline audio system, so still amplified and with bass, with the Pioneer NEX series head unit that has CD, AM, FM, HD, SAT, yada yada yada. We are running the reverse camera option on this, and of course Bluetooth and tetherless CarPlay. We are running the ICON Sport brakes. We're running the ICON Sport suspension, which is coilover all the way around. 4-link front, 4-bar rear, tunable sway bars, and the Sport suspension means that it is running the nitrogen-charged Fox Racing canister shocks with 2 rates of adjustment, and you can adjust those right on the cans. Nice and convenient. We're also running the Amp Research powered steps on all 4 doors. 44 high pinion in the front, Dana 60 in the rear. Those are all new down to the casting. Super strong, super burly, super reliable. Kind of overbuilt, but kind of the last thing you want to worry about, right? Never had a problem with these two, so it served us well. Seems to have built those to such a crazy high spec. I think that covers it. It's pretty much everything. So you guys, be well, be healthy, be happy. Keep your head down. Watch out for that new virus variant. Seems to be messing up a lot of people right now. Enjoy the holidays. Be kind to yourselves. Be kind to others. I'll see you on the next video.